Triple G. Welcome to Teddy Ganja Broadcast. Get informed, yeah. Don't get rotten fool. Just be cool, yeah. Get informed.
I apologize. I'm a few minutes late. It has been crazy trying to get everything in order for the stream, and I messed up something and I want to go back and fix it. So, guys, I am back. Hey, you are watching the Crypto Future. I'm Teddy Ganja. Things have progressed in the market. Unfortunately, it wasn't to the upside. We did retrace a little bit, but I am looking at those key support levels. I want to get into it all about it when it comes to the charts. But before we start, it is hard finding crypto individuals like yourself. There's a reason you clicked on this video. You want to stay informed with the crypto community. So please, I do ask that you hit that subscribe. It helps the channel out. We grow in that old algorithm, and we just want to find like-minded goons like yourself. So guys, we are going to go right into it, into the market. Let me start right now. Boom, 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 boom. Alrighty. So, as I was saying yesterday, we were at 1.44 trillion. We did retrace 0.05 trillion to the downside to 1.39. And what is evident is that money did not truly leave as much as we think on the BTC level, but that money also bled on the altcoin level. So we did see that small retracement down. We're now at 36.3 and Ethereum just under 2K, but still, it is still a greedy market when it comes to the fear and greed index. So very good takeaways there. I do want to talk about dominance because I said, hey, the dominance is still important. And what's evident is it didn't truly change for BTC or Ethereum in this week, right? So 51% has held out strong, 17% for Ethereum. So no increase nor decrease, but that basically means potentially we are seeing that dominance fluctuate in other areas as well. And you know what's interesting? We saw 1.9 dominance for Solana, and now we're at 1.81. So it is evident that as dominances change, price action can change as well. So we'll talk about Caspa as well. So don't you worry. Caspa trending today 12%. And the other one being Yearn Finance, YFI. We literally talked about it yesterday, and it's doing so well today. What's going on, Dynastic Wolf? Nice to see you, buddy. Like to indeed. Please smoke that like button. Helps the channel out. What's going on, my crypto? Bye, William. Just keeping it relaxed today. May cut the stream a little bit shorter than normal, but it's nothing you guys have done. I'm trying to align all the things I'm doing outside of this, so I may have to end early, but don't hate me. Don't hate me. We're still gonna have a fun time. But I miss you guys. KAS is gonna be listed on Binance. Yes, the futures. I signed everything. I cannot wait. I believe that volume coming in is hopefully gonna push this more, and hopefully it's not a buy the news, buy the rumor, sell the news type event, right? So hopefully when it does have the listing, I'm hoping this doesn't come down and this is just that pre-pump before the actual pump. So that's really my main takeaway. That's why Caspa is trending. It's the most trending one. And the other one being AVAX, Big A Army. Happy Friday, Teddy. Happy Friday. Wait a second. Mark Nobi, I know what you're doing there. You're trying to make me all feel. Teddy, I don't see you again. What am I going to do? You'll be fine, buddy. And so we did have a great pump yesterday as well. You guys saw Solana broke 60. We are having that retracement. Yeah, Solana fell a little bit more than others, but it's expected. The RSI was high. It was very overbought. And we need some retracement before it makes some potential next leg up. So the other one, which John Crispalla talked to us about yesterday, was Ordinals. Ordinals also had fair pump, and literally the 24 to 25 was fair, and now from this 23 to 25 is also looking pretty good. So I'm not too concerned about ordinals in the grand scheme of things because the pump does appear to continue for it. Let me see here. I think that's all I had. Pepe, Pepe, when are we gonna make it all back? I do want to get into Pepe on the charts because you guys saw the 0.618 level was broken. We did not sustain above that level, which means hey, we're in a downtrend potential in the next few days. So we will circle back on that as well. And what's important is I said, hey, the money's leaving altcoin and potentially going to Bitcoin. So it's 50-50 ish to me, but still 42 leaning towards that Bitcoin week potentially, but it's not altcoin week. Hey, Teddy and the Goons, what's going on? Coochie boy, nice to see you, buddy. Just rolling out, relaxing, grilling out, chilling out, doing whatever we can, looking at the crypto market while we're in a bearish trend right now. So not too shaken by it, expected. We talked about it yesterday. We saw that inverse cup and handle as John Crispella jumped on stream and showed us. So very nice positive sentiment. I love it. I love it. I love it. Let me see here. Yeah. No. Oh, I got someone at my door. Hopefully my wife gets it. Should be fine. Let me see. So the other fun one I was trying to look at was Ethereum, and Ethereum is yet again bullish, bullish, bullish. We're at 68.31, so that definitely appears much better sentiment than before. Because I didn't even expect it before to be like that. I actually thought we were going to go to 50-50 and it was going to be a little shakeup, but then, hey, Houdini shit, that's what seems to be happening here. The other one being BTC, exactly the same. We got about a 60-40 split. We are going to that bullish sentiment yet again. So I do think this is a potential positive, but not quite. Not quite fully to that bullish trend yet. So we'll see where it catches support before it makes the next leg up. So let me see. That's what I had for the market. Who will be bigger, Pepe or Bank? Most likely Pepe. I think Pepe. Pepe will take that. Yeah, let me see if my wife actually got the door. Sorry, guys. Someone just came to my door just now. I want to make sure they're not waiting. The things of cameras, works out well. Let me see. He just. Yeah, goddamn, she didn't even see the door. She's probably with the kids, so she doesn't know. One second. What's going on, SK? Nice to see you, buddy. I got those updated screens. I appreciate it. I only wanted 1, 2, 3, and 5, but you clubbed some of them together. I'll send you another message just so. But it's nice to see you. How's things going? What are you up to? How's life? Tell us, fill us in, man. We're having a nice relaxed Thursday because the market is trending a quite interesting way right now. But hey, we still have potential. We still have potential. So real quick, one of the articles I had found for the news segment is it's not a bull market, just an appetizer. I love this statement because many of us are wondering, hey, is the bull market back? And almost everything shows us that even with the ETF's approval, there's still a lot of potential dumps that need to happen before we have the next leg up. We've talked about Mount Gox liquidation. We've talked about FTX liquidation. We've talked about a potential shakeup with Binance and the SEC and the reserves of various cryptos. So I thought, hey, this is a great statement. I love it. I love it. I love it. You think this is a move? This is what a real move looks like. What we're experiencing now is just the appetizer. So that was a very fun statement. I love this article. But as you guys know, even with the ETFs, I do believe that pump is going to be 1, 2, 3 days max. We find consolidation level, and that's when we're either getting out or you're holding long term. But for me, once I get there, I'm out. So that's pretty much what I saw there on that article. The other one is we've been looking at potential. Hey, what's the next token that's going to go big? We've looked at Shiba Inu, we've looked at XRP, we've looked at Crow. Literally, what's it going to be? I like this article. 100% rise on Dogecoin price is expected. So, very interesting. This is from the community Dogecoin itself, where they have plans to, um, you know, potentially get a rocket up there in space, guys. It's gonna happen. You're gonna see it. The Dogecoin moon box. It's gonna make it to space, and it's gonna be a physical thing traveling through space. So that's expected on 12/23/2023. I've done this research. You don't have to. I think it's a marketing gimmick, but hey, buy the rumor, sell the news. So let it happen. Dogecoin is headed to the moon. So it's really happening. So I know Coochie Boy. Let me see. Hello, Coochie Boy. What's up? I see you smoking with the futures, dude. Coochie Boy's been killing it. Always a student, still learning at my trial. I was not sure of your request. We'll fix it, Teddy. Okay, thank you, SK. I appreciate it, buddy. Um, who was it? Pepe will moon again. Pepe will moon again. It's all community driven. So find the bottom, know where it'll bounce off. But I have the fib retracement. I'll show you that. So you asked me Pepe or Bonk. I'm like, bro, look at Dogecoin. You may have to consider Doge for a little bit before looking at anything else. But some of you guys know Doge and LTC are correlated too. So if one of these pumps, the other one could benefit as well. So I am watching this viciously. We will see what ends up happening. So at the time of writing, were up 7% at 8 cents. Doge is still at 8 cents and making moves up. So we love to see this. Finally, we broke the 5-6 cent move, Teddy. 100% Doge price blast expected. So very, very clickbaity. I loved it in the end. Let's get the physical thing out there. So I told you guys I'm speculative about Binance. I'm very speculative with the news and the narrative that Binance is saying because the SEC is going after them for a reason. There has to be something behind it. Otherwise, why else are they targeting them, right? So even regardless of FUD, I hope I find a good entry point when the time comes. I was always hoping under 200. Maybe I'll have that chance again. BNB currently at 245. And we even talked about there's a hard fork that's happening. There's changes in leadership, even when it came to Binance US, of people just walking away. Now we're hearing Binance counterterrorism official has left exchange after 2 years in the role. That feels so weird. This guy is supposed to be like the anti-money laundering, bro. We ain't gonna be using this money to help the terrorists out there, whatever they deem is terrorist activity, so Coochie Boy, if you're racking it when you're a student, I'm wondering what you will do when you do a PhD in it, dude. Yeah, coulda, woulda, shoulda, never sold my Doge, bro. Why do you do this to us? You should have never sold, buddy. Look at Doge; it's gonna go 100% to the moon. Can't you tell? So as I was saying, so this Binance is just ADHD, this is what happens to me. Welcome to Teddy's world. Binance is just uh potential shakeout. I'm waiting to happen. I feel more people could be leaving. This just has bad juju written all over it. When you see big executives like this, especially when it comes out on the news that they're leaving these exchanges and these funds, you go, hey, why is this happening? What is the reason and where do we go from here? So yeah, there was pretty light on the news. This is pretty much what I had. I will keep going to the chats. Teddy, I need to know what's going on, guys. I love the chart segment. I think it's one of the best pats where we get good engagement, and really the levels I continue to keep throwing at you guys is the 0.618 level. What scares me is we are at that point, we're doing lower highs and higher lows. So little bit of speculative, hopefully consolidation crab market happening here at the 36K level. That is my hope. We were able to close out the last 3 days above 36K, but we have touched between the 0.618 and the 0.786 level on the fib retracement. So stick with me, goons, because this is going to be important. If BTC falls below 35 291, we are expecting that if that support level does not catch, we don't come back from that support level, we are potentially looking at a bearish trend. So we did predict some of this yesterday. We were up here 37, feeling real high and mighty, and then we saw that inverse potential cup and hammer. Sorry, cup and handle hammer. Oh boy, Teddy, you feeling it, buddy? Cup and handle forming. So it definitely played out in that fashion, and we saw that retracement happen. So this is a brand new day, and we are going to continue to monitor what happens. As of right now, what remains to be true, Andean oscillator still shows a bullish trend. Triple G for the day still shows positive sentiment. So we are still hoping positive sentiment. There is no confirmation sell signal yet. So these are the levels I'm looking for. So you guys already know we're monitoring it like anything. ETH also had a retracement. We're hoping, for ETH it's 50, 100, $200, not too bad. But really 1850 is my level. 1971, we're about $120 away for potential negative sentiment. As of right now, it has closed fairly okay around the 2K mark, but now we are leaning towards that 19K. So I'm really hoping the markets change as we continue to progress, but it is not looking like a healthy chart when it comes to Ethereum. Been holding a 200x BTC long all day, working on emotions. Bro, what are you 200x all day? Are you suffering right now or are you okay? Because I feel like you're suffering, struggling with exits and emotions. Oh my God. Oh my God. You're killing me, Coochie boy. Killing me. Let me see here. So I was talking about Ethereum. Yeah, so we've had that retracement. BNB, just let me find my entry point. So triple G indicator put support at 238. I can agree with 238 because the fib retracement says that is a support as well. So the fib retracement lined up very nicely. This is no movie magic here. We traced in the last time frame the current high and the last low in that time frame, and we were able to come out with these levels. So for me, it's 224, which is about, really $22 away from the current price. So I have my eye on it, especially seeing there is some narrowing of the Andean oscillator here. Move over to XRP. We talked about XRP. The fake out news happened, went up to 73. We've retraced, but we are below the 0.618 level. So I do believe, I know, not everyone's going to agree with me here. I do believe there's going to be a little bit more bearish trend before we see this continue its next leg up, especially because we've been hugging that 0.618 level for quite some time, but now we are closing underneath. So it is not a good sign in my eyes. And look at the Andean oscillator, right? So if I'm looking at a position, especially when it comes to XRP, I got in the 35s. Okay, so you're fine as of right now. You're feeling good. Is closing into that narrow. So keep that in mind. All right, SHIB. We talked about SHIB yesterday. I was expecting SHIB to continue making good movements up, and it actually did on the day, but it ended up closing pretty much where the previous candle closed. But what's interesting now is brand new day. We really need this to push the next leg up. If we're looking for that bullish sentiment, removing the zero, whatever it may be, I'm ready for it, but I need it to happen. Like we need to get out of this resistance zone, and the only way that is if that volume comes up. But this is the scary part. Just like XRP, we saw XRP yesterday, right? The bands were narrowing. I'm looking at SHIB. I'm telling you, I am seeing bands narrow here as well. Oh, still up 400%, Gucci boy. You're freaking killing it, man. What the hell? How are you up 400%? That is wild. That is wild. Oh man. So as I was saying with SHIB, I do believe there could be some negative sentiment in the near future. Now we talked about Doge, and it really hit on the Doge going to the moon. They got the whole physical Dogecoin traveling in the moon box, the moon mail. There's an actual like making history thing. This is the mission. They're actually going. Yeah, you see, and actually here's the payloads. BTC Inc. Let me see. I thought I actually saw they had. Let me just check. No, they didn't have Doge. The Doge channel just called them out, I guess. But they did have it. Oh, Astrobotic. That's what it was. Okay, okay, okay. Sorry, sorry. That was one of these guys up here. Astroscale, Astrobotic. Here they are. So these guys are doing the whole Doge thing. So we'll see. Still feels good. It's nice that they're doing it. They are part of the payload manifest, so we know it's happening, guys. It's a real thing. We're bringing things to the moon, Teddy. Things are gonna happen. So I think that definitely pushed this sentiment, and that long position came in October. Look at us now. There's no sign of a downtrend, and we widened the band, if anything. So it still seems pretty positive to me. That positiveness may continue till all the way till the moon, till the physical moon, Teddy. And I want to talk about Pepe because, as you saw, I'm trying to figure out when is it going to go back up. So it did catch support here at the 0.382, and really the 0.618 is not too far off. So if we can find some healthy consolidation here, which I'm potentially hoping happens, and then the community comes in and pushes this up, and we close above 0.618, we may get that bullish sentiment again and find your entry and exit point. So be ready, guys. You just have to know when it's going to catch that support and then bounce off of it for that reversal. So keep your eyes peeled. When it comes to bone, it's like every day is newer lows or just bouncing off this our mental support of 63, right? But at the most part, let me zoom out. We have seen this as low as 24, right? And then we've seen it as high as $2.40. Now I'm gonna just move this same 24. I'm not changing anything all the way over. This is bone. This is all-time high to all-time low on the fib retracement. Let me just do it right there. 24. When you look at this, we are actually in the uncertainty level between 0.236 and 0. So we didn't catch support. It is not looking good for bone. We're going to see how low we go before it catches the next leg up. But really, what needs to happen is the utility adoption, and the bone passport needs to push. Else, we're going to keep having this issue over and over and over again because it is not happening. And I know they got treat coming or happening in the works, but it is not showing that positive sentiment like it once did. It's not good. It's not good. It's not a good feeling at all. And let me even bring it up to Crow, which has been killing it. We keep closing, above 9 cents. It's great. If we close below uh 5 cents, that is when I go, okay, there's something gonna happen. What is interesting is Indian Oscillator continues to be bullish trend, but it is pretty narrow compared to what we've seen before with other cryptocurrencies. The Indian Oscillator does appear to be narrowing, but the bullish sentiment is also up there. So we're keeping an eye on it, and we'll see what ends up happening. Let me see here. Solana. There we go. I got you. So Solana did go up to 68 before it retraced again to 58. Is it healthy consolidation? I do believe it is healthy consolidation. I believe every time it keeps having its leg down, it's making its next leg up. And as John said yesterday, it's a 300% to all-time high. It's a 300% to all-time high. So that is not even that bad. That is a fair entry point. And then you have people like, what is it, Blockchain Boy or something, that said, Shiba Inus all-time high is going to be like 10,000%. It's like 8,800%, but that's also doable. It's also doable. So it all depends where you're putting your money in and when you're finding your exit point, how much you can do. I'm a big fan of leverage right now. So yesterday was great for me with WorldCoin. I was finally above my entry point, and then boom, it's below my entry point again. So I continue to wait. One day we gotta make it all back, but today wasn't the day. And then I gotta look. How's the Pepe futures? Not bad. Straight consolidation, but I know the price action is gonna go down since I looked at it in the spot. Oh yeah, we were looking at meme coin, and it still shows a bullish sentiment on meme coin, and it's still above 3.3. So yeah, that's still pretty good. So I'm sure a lot of you guys are up like anything on meme coin right now. I expect you to be. You're welcome. No, I'm just kidding. I'm sorry. Let me see. How's MX doing? We talked about MX yesterday. Did it catch 263 is a good support, but really, yeah, I guess it did go down 270. Okay, it cut some support, came back, but look how nicely 263 lines up at previous support levels. That is wild. Peek at my bank here. Let me move over to Goon Time. I do have to cut today's stream a little bit shorter. It's not your fault. I promise. I promise. I have so many things I have to get done. Unfortunately, and that's why I was late, but it won't happen again. And next week you got me for the full time, except Thanksgiving. I feel like Thanksgiving I shouldn't stream, but it's like, what else am I gonna do? Eat turkey? Bonk on USDT pair looks good, dude. Bonk actually looks. What the hell? I haven't paid attention to Bonk. How are you? How? When did you get in, Coochie boy? Bonk is. Oh my god, you're up 3,000% since the beginning of the long position, dude. That is wild. That is wild. What's even causing this price action to drive up? It's almost back at the all-time high. That is hilarious. That is hilarious. I love it. That is true degenerate meme coin way. Look how wide the Andean oscillator is. Never got out. Okay. Yeah, makes sense. Makes sense. I am out of Bunk. It's on Solana. Yeah. I'm out of Bunk. I had gotten out when New Solana went down. And it did pump like for a couple of days, right? How long? Like 2 days it pumped, and then like an immediate crash, and we thought that was it. And then look, sideways trading, sideways trading, sideways trading, sideways trading, parabolic move. Boom, 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 boom. Was it the dev team or was it the community? What actually caused this? Was it the price action of Solana? I feel like it was the price action of Solana going up. That's what caused this. Man, 1,600. Wait, oh, did I read it wrong before? Oh, okay, so it was only 1,600. Still, that's like basically 16x right there. That's not bad at all. That's not bad at all. Let me see here. All right, guys, it is your time. You ask me any token, I will take a look. You don't have to be afraid. I love looking at charts. I love going through all the crypto things. So if you have anything you want updates on, do ask below. BlackRock has applied for an ETF for Ethereum. What the hell? Didn't we already know that? Yeah. Top community article. I've never actually seen a community article thing. What is this? CoinMarketCap community articles. Gateway. Caspa price prediction. Bitcoin stamps versus ordinals. A deep dive on the future. Wait, Bitcoin stamps? Is this a fako? Ordinals is top, bro. Ordinals number one. In the innovative landscape of blockchain, Bitcoin stamps and ordinals represent two distinct approaches to embedding data in Bitcoin blockchain. What the hell? They embedded directly into the Bitcoin blockchain UTXO set. Integration, the data becomes a permanent part of the blockchain. Ordinals, in contrast, inscribes data onto individual Satoshis. Wait, so they are embedded directly in Bitcoin blockchain's UTXO set. This integration means the data becomes more permanent part of the blockchain, immutable and unerasable. But wouldn't ordinals also be the same thing since it's on individual satoshis? While innovative, this approach depends on the node's discretion. Nodes can prune this data to optimize the performance, which might lead to the loss of ordinals data over time. Oh, this is mind blowing. Wait, so Bitcoin stamps SRC20 is better than BRC20? Dude, this is a great article. Holy crap. I haven't even looked into SRC20, but Bitcoin stamps is hard and immutable. That is definitely important. Mike in Space. The innovator, Mike in Space, the innovator behind SRC20 standard asserts that stamps offer a higher degree of performance relative to the protocols. Wait, so how the hell do I get stamp? Where we have top SRP token says the name suggests Bitcoin stamp is the top SRC20 token representing a digital stamp. Market cap of around 5 million. Dude, imagine this actually took off, dude. Is this a paid article though? Oh, this is so hard to tell because I haven't heard of Bitcoin stamps. Let me see. Give me more. Give me more. Show me Bitcoin stamps. Bitcoin stamps. Is it just stamps? Stamp. I have a feeling either we're super early or wait, what the hell? 940 views. How the hell do I get this? How do I buy stamp? How do I get into SRC20? Damn it, I need John Crispalla. He is my BRC god. He will tell me how. Teddy, you do this and then you got it. Oh, thanks, John. Okay, as soon as I know, I'm gonna tell you guys. Don't you worry. SRC20, that sounds awesome. That sounds way more safer than, but then again, it could just be marketing. But Ordinals was first. They got it imprinted in the Satoshis, Teddy. You guys are all like, what the hell are you talking about? Teddy, got to go pick up my grandson. See you guys. Dynastic Wolf, goodbye. Thanks for chilling out with us, buddy. I'm going to be out of here. I'm just checking out Coinbase here. I mean, CoinMarketCap here. Let me see. Bitcoin having 24 strategy. Dude, this is actually pretty cool that they have articles. Is this like community submitted articles? 6 minutes ago. Hit the network. Airdrop 225 million tokens to 90K wallets. Bro, am I one of the lucky ones? Where's NW, our airdrop king? He would know. Crypto Whale deposits over 4 million worth of Didex on Kraken. Oh yeah, sure. He's taking profits, that's all. Philippines breaks news. Bitcoin having, so Shiba Inu forecasted to rise 1,800 by 2032. 1,800. I guess that's still an 18x. That's not bad. That's not bad. Dogecoin. Yeah, I like this. I'm gonna have to check these out alongside TradingView because TradingView's articles sometimes are really good, like very detailed. They do a very good job of scrubbing through the entire crypto, or maybe not the entire, but a fair majority of the crypto news, like News BTC. They got the Coin Republic, so. But I haven't actually seen community submitted like this. Like, this is cool that people are submitting them and interacting them. It looks like, wow, looks like CoinMarketCap doing some things, boys. I never actually keep track of this. Very interesting, and it's in beta. Man, we're learning, Teddy. We're learning. They're making their own. They're making their own thinger. I feel great. Will it let me post? I feel great. Post. Ah. Oh wow, they even have continue with wallet. Oh wow. Wow. True Web3 integration happening at CoinMarketCap, boys. Come look at this. Oh my god, that's hilarious. That's hilarious. Binance list Caspa, it's gonna happen. Satima Git. What? If we could pick just one blockchain integration for Pip, which would it be? Pip. Oh, one day. Caspa. Celestia. Multiverse X. Haven't even heard of that one. Or maybe I have. I just don't know it. But I love Chili's. CHZ all the way, bro. Today, the price of Solana went up even more, surging over 18%. People are wondering why they go up. What's behind the last increase? Yeah, what's behind the last increase? Bro, is this safe to click on, bro? It's crypto headlines. Oh my God, here we go. We're gonna lose it all. We're gonna lose it all. Solana. What does this guy actually say is behind? Kathy Wood's endorsement boosts Solana to another rally. So he's saying Kathy Wood's endorsement caused this. Oh boy. What is this? Crypto headlines. Crypto Research Network. Astrobotic in December. Yeah. Dude, be careful, dude. This price rally may be very small, or hopefully it'll go all the way till December. We're going to the moon. Look how many things we're putting onto the moon. Shiba Inu support test, potential 12% surge. Oh, is there a Shiba Inu support? I don't actually, screw it. Let me do a fib retracement on Shiba Inu. I'm just doing this to learn for myself. I don't even care if it's let me see. So I'll go in the current time frame to the last low just for giggles. Oh yeah, that's not looking good. We're under 0.618 right now, so that would indicate bearish trend. But if I actually move it to current time frame as last low, we're still under 0.618. Does not look good. Does not look good either way. I moved the fib retracement. Oh boy. So where is the support? Oh, he's saying support potentially 8426. If it catches support, it's a how much rise? Wait, where did I read that? How much rise? 12% surge. Let me see. 12% surge. Is that possible? You catch support here. I go up 12% to another all-time high, basically. So in theory, I guess if 0.618 was my support, I would agree with that. But with 0.5, that's hard to say. And this is just smoke and mirrors. I don't believe this. I don't believe this Shiba Inu support test. It doesn't match up with fib retracement. I gotta read it now, just because I want to see. 50-day, 100-day moving average. RSI. Get the hell out of here. Bro, you just throwing out fake numbers, bro. There's no actual TA here. What the hell? All right, that's fine. We're done. We're done. Screw this guy. No, I'm sorry. I mean, I'm sure you did something there, but unfortunately don't make sense with what I'm charting. But I'm sure you somehow made it work. All right, guys. I think that's what I have for today. As I said, I had to cut this a little short. I will see you guys again Monday. There's also my other channel. Constantly, we're putting out new stuff on the other channel. Literally, I cannot stress it enough. Go check it out. Explore the Weird. I think another video just came out just now, a minute ago. And it is cringe. It is straight cringe. I've never thought I'd look at cringe. But yeah, I'm starting to like the cringe. I feel like I can vibe with the cringe. So if you're into that kind of TikTok reaction style, go check out Explore the Weird. It is quite an interesting channel there as well. So yes, that is it, guys. Check out Earn. We were on Beirut Chill Tank. Earn. Dude, I'll check out Earn just for you, buddy. Let me see. Give me 1 second. Earn. Because you're going to be like, Teddy, we talked about Earn yesterday. You had your entry point and look what you did. All right, so this Earn, I'm assuming it's this one. We're on Chill Tank. Yeah, it looks like you had a nice rally up. Catching support, RSI real low, 43. So yeah, if you know something about it, maybe. What do you know? What's happening? What's happening with Earn? Interesting. Liquidity 54K, 281K. Fairly okay LP ratio there. Hopefully this is the right one. I appreciate it, Slot Warrior. I appreciate it. All right, guys, I'm out of here. I will see you Monday. Stay safe, stay strong. I will see you. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I will see you Monday. It is interesting. Lots of things are happening. I wish I could say more, but it's like I got to keep everything tight-lipped till the craziness happens, and then it's like boom, the Goon Gang is growing even crazier. Potentially, someone wants to work with me and do a partnership for the channel and get some. It'll be good for me, but I also don't want to. I want to check everything out before I tell you guys. So we'll figure it out. We'll see what's going on. I will catch you guys next time. Goodbye. Stay safe. Most importantly, don't be a hero. Goodbye, 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 goodbye.
Don't get wrapped. Yeah. Don't get wrapped. Yeah. Don't get wrapped. Yeah. Don't get wrapped. Yeah. Get informed.